Introducing the 2017 Toyota Tacoma. With fewer than 50,000 miles on the odometer, this pre-owned model still has plenty of miles remaining as reliable transportation. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter six-cylinder engine. All of the following features are included: variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, and more. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Toyota's comprehensive certification process. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.